Starting your day with a balanced diet is really important. It helps keep your blood sugar stable, improves your focus, and keeps your digestion and metabolism running smoothly all day long. That's why breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day. Today, we'll be looking at the 5 best food combinations for a perfect breakfast, especially for those over 50. Make sure you watch till the end, because we'll not only be showing you the 5 best breakfasts, but also the 5 foods you should avoid in the morning. Breakfast number 5, oatmeal banana pancakes. Oats are known for their ability to lower cholesterol and promote gut health. By adding bananas, we get a significant source of potassium, an essential mineral for regulating blood pressure. Additionally, bananas are rich in fiber, which supports digestion and gut health, while their natural sugars offer immediate energy without blood sugar spikes. Bananas also provide vitamins like vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, and vitamin B6, which supports brain function and serotonin production, thus contributing to mood improvement. Eggs, a versatile ingredient, can be incorporated into pancakes to add further benefits. The combination of oats, bananas, and eggs creates a balanced meal that's simple to prepare. This dish provides complex carbohydrates for long-lasting energy, essential proteins for muscle health, and a wide range of vitamins and minerals necessary for overall well-being. It is therefore a breakfast that is not only tasty and nutritious, but also beneficial for cardiovascular, digestive, immune, and emotional health, promoting a healthy lifespan. Breakfast number 4, plain Greek yogurt with fruit and chia seeds. Plain Greek yogurt is an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for maintaining muscle mass and promoting tissue repair. This helps with physical endurance and mobility, especially as we age. In addition to its protein content, Greek yogurt contains probiotics. These probiotics not only support digestive health, but also boost the immune system, improving the body's absorption of essential nutrients. Adding fresh fruit to Greek yogurt not only enhances its flavor and texture, but also provides a greater intake of vital nutrients. Fruits like kiwi, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are an excellent source of antioxidant vitamins. These vitamins fight free radicals, protecting cells from damage and promoting brain health. These fruits also offer a rich source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Chia seeds, added to this breakfast, further enhance its benefits. These tiny seeds are a great source of soluble fiber, which supports gut health and promotes a lasting feeling of fullness, contributing to weight management. Moreover, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their positive effects on cardiovascular health and overall well-being. Therefore, by combining plain Greek yogurt, fresh fruit, and chia seeds, you create a tasty and balanced meal that brings together a wide range of essential nutrients. This combination offers protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing significant long-term health benefits, promoting healthy and active aging. Breakfast number 3, oatmeal, fruit, and nuts. This combination is an excellent choice for a balanced breakfast because it's packed with nutrients and good for you. Oatmeal is full of soluble fiber, which can help lower bad cholesterol and keep your blood sugar levels steady. That's good news for your heart and helps prevent type 2 diabetes. Plus, oatmeal keeps you feeling full, so you won't have those energy crashes before lunchtime. Adding low-sugar fruits like apples, pears, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries makes this breakfast even better. They give you vitamins, minerals like vitamin C and potassium, and antioxidants, which boost your immune system and help with digestion. Finally, adding nuts brings in healthy fats called omega-3s, which are great for your heart and brain. Nuts also have protein, keeping you full longer and making this breakfast even more balanced and nutritious. Oatmeal, fruit, and nuts together Make a complete meal that's not just good for your digestion, heart and brain, but also gives you steady energy and important nutrients for a healthy life as you get older. Let's move on to breakfast number 2, a vegetable frittata. Eggs are known for being a great source of protein and important amino acids, which give you energy to start your day. When you combine eggs with veggies in a frittata, you get even more benefits, adding lots of vitamins and minerals that are important for your health. There are many yummy and healthy veggies you can choose for your frittata. Spinach, for example, is a great choice. It's full of iron, which helps your body make energy, and vitamin K, which is important for strong bones. Tomatoes are also great because they have lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may reduce the risk of heart disease and some cancers. Bell peppers are a great source of vitamin C, which helps your body fight off sickness and absorb iron better. All these vegetables also have fiber, which is good for digestion, keeps your gut healthy, and helps keep your blood sugar levels steady. Combining eggs and vegetables in a frittata isn't just delicious and filling. It also gives you energy that lasts, supports heart health, strengthens your bones and muscles, and improves brain and digestive function. And finally, our number 1 breakfast: whole grain bread, eggs, and avocado. This combination is packed with nutrients and offers many health benefits. Whole grain bread is known for being an excellent source of fiber and complex carbohydrates, which keep your energy levels steady throughout the morning and promote healthy digestion. Eggs are a complete protein source, containing all the essential amino acids needed for maintaining and repairing your body's tissues. This quality of eggs, especially their high protein content, becomes crucial as we age because our muscle mass naturally tends to decrease. Having enough protein helps preserve and build muscle mass. In addition to protein, eggs are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin D, which plays a key role in bone health, and choline, a crucial nutrient for proper brain and nervous system function. Adding avocado to this meal brings in a valuable source of monounsaturated fats, known for their contribution to heart health. In fact, avocado increases levels of HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and reduces levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol. Moreover, avocado is rich in potassium, an essential mineral for regulating blood pressure, thus reducing the risk of hypertension. Avocado is also a source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage, and fiber, which helps you feel full longer and aids digestion. This combination of whole grain bread, eggs, and avocado not only provides lasting energy to tackle your day, but also promotes heart, muscle, and bone health, in addition to supporting healthy digestion and optimizing brain function. All right, as promised, let's see what 5 foods you should avoid at breakfast. Let's start with white bread. White bread is made with refined flour that during processing loses a lot of its fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This means it has a high glycemic index, which causes rapid blood sugar spikes followed by sudden energy crashes. Regularly eating white bread is linked to a higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes, obesity, and heart disease because of its high content of simple carbs that provide short-lived energy and empty calories. Choosing whole grain bread or other fiber-rich alternatives is a healthier choice, as they help you feel fuller for longer and improve your overall health. Sugary cereals are often loaded with refined sugar, which causes a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, followed by quick energy crashes, leading to fatigue and difficulty concentrating throughout the day. Additionally, regularly consuming refined sugar is closely linked to a higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes and obesity, issues that become more serious with age. These cereals may also contain trans fats, known to increase LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, and decrease HDL cholesterol, the good one, significantly raising the risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and strokes. Processed meats like sausages, bacon, and ham can be particularly harmful when eaten for breakfast, especially for those over 50. These foods are often high in saturated fats, sodium, and chemical additives like preservatives and artificial colors, all linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, and digestive problems. The high sodium content can lead to water retention and increased blood pressure, while saturated fats contribute to cholesterol buildup in the blood. Furthermore, processes like smoking can lead to the formation of potentially carcinogenic compounds. Opting for healthier alternatives, such as lean protein, boiled eggs, or plain yogurt, can help maintain good health and overall well-being, especially in old age. Industrially processed fruit juices often contain high amounts of added sugars and lack fiber, leading to blood sugar spikes followed by energy crashes. Additionally, the production process can reduce the presence of essential nutrients such as vitamins and antioxidants found in fresh fruit. Regularly consuming processed juices is linked to a higher risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. A healthier alternative is fresh fruit or natural juices without added sugars, which provide fiber and essential nutrients crucial for a balanced diet and long-term health. Although delicious, croissants are not an ideal breakfast choice due to their high content of saturated fat and calories from refined carbohydrates. Made with puff pastry rich in butter or margarine, croissants contain a high percentage of saturated fats, known to increase LDL cholesterol levels, the so-called bad cholesterol, and increase the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, croissants are often made with refined white flour, which is low in fiber and essential nutrients. Regular consumption of these products can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and a greater predisposition to type 2 diabetes. Choosing healthier breakfast alternatives, such as whole wheat bread or fresh fruit, is a healthier choice to promote cardiovascular health and prevent age-related problems. If you liked this video, share it with your friends and family so they can also learn about breakfast choices that can help them live longer, healthier lives.